Hey guys, welcome back to another Creative Tab tutorial. Just a quick simple one today. I'm going to show you, because a lot of people have been asking how to flip images in Photoshop. Now, I've got just a simple image in here. You can use any image you want. This is just one I used in another tutorial. What a lot of people often do if they want to flip an image is they go like this. They just get the sides and they kind of scale it like that. That's not a very good way of doing it because you could end up stretching and distorting the image. So it's not the best way. I'll show you the proper way. So let's undo what I did. If you have your layer selected, go to Image and then, Edit, Transform, and then you've got Flip Horizontal. And like that, your image is flipped. And you can also go Edit, Transform, and Flip Vertical if you wanted to. But yeah, so that's basically how you properly flip an image inside of Photoshop. Very, very simple. Select the layer. If it's got a little padlock, just double click the padlock and then click OK. And then Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal or Vertical. Okay, so cheers for tuning in. I hope that helped. Give us a comment, rate, subscribe, and follow us on our Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And hopefully I'll see you in another Creative Tab tutorial. Cheers.